Welcome, dear soul. You have arrived in this sacred space to realign, to restore, to awaken the deep flow of energy within you. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Let the weight of the outside world melt away. This is your time, your moment of balance, of healing. Close your eyes gently. Allow your body to relax. Your shoulders to soften. Your mind to quiet. With every breath, you sink deeper into peace. Now, bring your awareness to the base of your spine, the root chakra, the foundation of your being. Imagine a warm, glowing red light. It grounds you. It connects you to the earth. Feel its strength, its stability, its unwavering support. With each breath affirm, I am safe. I am secure. I am grounded. Breathe in this powerful energy and exhale any fear, any doubt, any instability. Now, gently shift your focus to your lower abdomen, the sacral chakra, the center of passion and creativity. See a vibrant orange light swirling within you. It is warm, flowing, alive. With every breath, feel your emotions balance, your creativity awaken. Affirm, I am creative. I am radiant. I embrace the flow of life. Take another deep breath and let go of any blockages, any resistance. Now, move your awareness to the space just above your navel, the solar plexus chakra, your source of personal power. See a bright golden light shining like the sun. It is strong, confident, unshakable. With every inhale, feel your inner strength grow, your self-worth expand. Affirm, I am powerful. I am worthy. I trust myself. Breathe in confidence and exhale any doubt, any insecurity. shift your attention to the center of your chest, the heart chakra, the space of love and compassion. See a soft, glowing green light expanding outward. Feel its warmth, its tenderness, its infinite love. With each breath, your heart opens. Your love flows freely. Affirm, I am love. I am open. I give and receive love effortlessly. Breathe deeply and release any pain, any resentment, any barriers to love. Now, move your awareness to your throat. The throat chakra, your center of truth and expression. See a bright blue light radiating from this space. It is clear. It is strong. It is open. With every breath, your voice is empowered. Your truth flows freely. Affirm, I speak my truth. I am heard. My words are powerful. Breathe in clarity and let go of any fear, any hesitation. Now shift your focus to the space between your eyebrows, the third eye chakra, the gateway to your intuition. See a deep indigo light glowing here. It is wise. It is knowing. It is infinite. With every breath, your vision clears. Your insight deepens. Affirm, I trust my intuition. I see clearly. I am connected to my inner wisdom. Breathe in wisdom and release any confusion, any doubt. Now bring your attention to the top of your head, the crown chakra, your connection to the divine. See a radiant violet light expanding into the universe. It is limitless. It is divine. It is pure. With every breath, feel yourself merging with the infinite. Affirm, I am connected. I am one with all. I am divine. Breathe in light and exhale into complete surrender, complete peace. Now, envision all these energies aligning, your chakras glowing in harmony, a perfect flow of energy moving through you. You are balanced, you are whole, you are radiant. Take one final deep breath in. Hold it, and slowly exhale. Feel this peace within you. Carry it forward into your life. When you feel ready, gently bring awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Feel the support beneath you. Know that this balance is always within you. Take another deep breath, and when you're ready, open your eyes. Welcome back. You are aligned. You are powerful. You are light.